Here is an overview of the schedule for our digital media project.
Oh yeah, we had a whole class brainstorm up on the board and we could see what everyone has done.
We brainstormed our ideas for our eBooks. Here is our success criteria. We could sit and work where we were comfortable. We worked together and taught each other. We used different modes of media in our eBooks. I can teach my friends to save images from Safari. We share ideas with our friends. We can use what we learned.